Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do nail prep, basic nail prep, and how to apply a gel polish on natural nails. So let's get into the video. So the things we need is first of all a cuticle pusher. So with this part, we are going to push the cuticle, the dead skin on our nail, and with this we are going to remove the nail protein, the white color protein on our nail. The next thing we need is a cuticle remover. So जो dead skin होती है हमारे nails के in this part, so उसके लिए है. So this thing is very sharp, you have to do it very carefully. This thing, as you can see, the blade is very sharp like this. And the next thing we need is a nail filer. This is a hard filer, and this is a basic and very important thing in nail prep. So this is a very important thing. So next thing we need is a fluffy brush to dust off the nail protein from our nail like this. So this is also an important thing. And the next two things we need is a step 1 and step 2. So step 1 is a dehydrator, step 1, and the step 2, this is a primer. So each and every product I use are from Pia's Nail Art. So if you want to purchase her products, I'll link down the description below. I'll link her Instagram profile in my description. So this is the step 1 and step 2. The dehydrator is the step 1 and the primer is a step 2. So the next thing we need is a base coat before applying our gel polish. So this is a very important thing if we are applying a gel polish on a natural nail. So this is a base coat. The next thing we need is a gel polish. This is in the shade N18. This is a nude shade. आपको ये बाद में देखने मिल जाएगा ये shade. So this is a nude shade, and the important thing is the top coat. So this is the top coat. This we apply after the gel polish application. This is a very important thing. And then we need is a cuticle oil to apply on our cuticle here. So this is also an important thing. And the last very important thing means a LED UV lamp. So the main thing is gel polish is not air dry. It only dries in a LED lamp. So if you are purchasing a gel polish, then make sure you are purchasing a LED lamp. LED lamp purchase नहीं किया तो आपकी gel polish dry नहीं होगी because it is not air dry. So these are the basic things we need. So we'll start doing our nail prep. So I am taking my cuticle pusher. So my ma'am taught me to start from the small finger. So I am starting to push her cuticle like this with my light hands. We have to do it carefully, as you can see. Only this, and with this pointed thing, we are going to remove the nail protein in the cuticle area. Like this. So this is the middle part is a nail bed. This is the cuticle. These two are side walls, and this is a free edge. So this is the basic important thing we need to know. So I'm removing her white, as she don't have much cuticle, I mean dead skin. So I'll dust off with a fluffy, and I'll do the same thing with another nails. So now I am going to remove her dead skin. from the cuticle area. So once again I am telling you, this is very sharp, the blade is very sharp. Do it very carefully, because when I was learning I really had a bad experience. Yes, I really had a bad experience, that's why I am telling you, please use it carefully. So the blade we have to keep it right here and we have to lift it upwards, because हमने स्लैंटिंग नहीं कर दिया तो वो ब्लेड हमारे क्यूटिकल के डेड स्किन रिमूव नहीं कर पाएगा. सो वी हैव टू कीप इट द स्टैंड ऑन अपर साइड एंड वी हैव टू गो इन द सी डायरेक्शन लाइक दिस. अगर आप स्ट्रेट चले गए तो आपकी एक्स्ट्रा जो स्किन है यहाँ की वहां से ब्लीड हो सकता है. दैट्स व्हाई गो वेरी स्लोली. सो वी स्टार्ट लाइक दिस. Do it very carefully, as she don't have any cuticle on a small finger. Look the direction of my hand, how I am going. So as you can see, the dead skin. So now I am going to file her nails with the hard filer. So हमें ज़्यादा फाइल नहीं करने हैं, बिकॉज हम नेचुरल नेल्स पे जेल पॉलिश लगा रहे हैं. सो ज़्यादा फाइल किया तो हमारे नेल्स जो है वो पतले हो जाएंगे. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू ओनली रिमूव द शाइन एंड द ऑयल from the nails. So I'm starting with my small finger. So I'm going to show you three-way buffing, three-way easy buffing. So देखिए मैंने ये फाइलर कैसे पकड़ा है, like this, and we have to concentrate on this border like this. So cuticle area से C, we have to go in the C way like this, and the middle part like this. So we'll do it. It is super easy. तो इससे क्या होता है, हमारे जो बॉर्डर्स हैं ना वो अच्छे से फाइल हो जाते हैं. दिस एंड द थर्ड वन लाइक दिस. The only thing we have to do is to remove the shine. See, अभी we have to dust it. So उसके nails काफी dehydrate हो चुके हैं, as you can see. The base is rough. So मैं बाकी के nails का भी कर लेती हूँ in a meanwhile. So after filing our nails, I am applying a step 1, which is dehydrator. Next, the step 2, which is primer, as you can see. So primer is very essential in makeup and nails both. So now we are going to apply a base coat. So it is a shiny coat. As you can see. See how shiny it is. And after applying a base coat, we have to cure it in the LED lamp. So like this, and we have to cure it for 30 seconds. After curing for 30 seconds, we have to apply a first coat of our gel polish. So this is a nude shade, as I told you, and maximum coat we have to apply is 3 coats. So this is my first coat. See how beautiful this shade is. So again we have to cure it for 30 seconds. Now I am applying my second coat now. So again I am curing it for 30 seconds. The next thing I am applying is the top coat, as you can see. We have to apply only a single layer, not too much, as it gives a good shine to your nails. So the last and very important thing is I am applying a cuticle oil on her cuticle. So cuticle oil is basically like a moisturizer to your cuticle. So even if you are not doing a nail art or nail extensions, then too you have to apply a cuticle oil on your cuticle to keep them healthy and shiny. And we have to massage it on your cuticle, on your side walls like this. And so guys, we are done for today. So this is how a nail looks, like manicured nails. Yeah, and these are my nails. These are acrylic nails. I am definitely going to show you acrylic nails soon. I have started from basic today, so I hope you all like the video, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Bye, I'll meet you in the next video.